It is a well known saying that you don't need two hands, legs, or eyes to succeed. All you need is willpower and determination. We present to you the 10 lesser known Indians with disabilities who have not only overcome their physical handicaps but also achieved goals which even able bodied people would find difficult to achieve. Number 10. Sharath was born with a deformed left hand and started taking swimming lessons when he was just 9. In 2014, he created history by winning 6 medals at the Para Asian Games. With this, he broke legendary PT Usha's 28-year-old record at the Asian Games. He also has over 30 international and 40 national medals to his name. He was also the first Indian to qualify for the London Olympics for the disabled in 2010. Number 9. Malathi was paralyzed completely at the tender age of 1 due to high fever, but a regular electric shock treatment got the strength of only her upper body back. She has taken part in various international events including the Paralympics. She has won gold in 200 meters, shot put, discus and javelin throw at the 1989 World Masters Games in Denmark. She has over 300 medals in her kitty and is also the proud recipient of the Arjuna Award and Padma Shri. Number 8. A blotched lumbar puncture made Boniface a quadriplegic for life. Bonnie's principal claim to fame is wheelchair tennis, but he has also represented India at international events in athletics, javelin throw, and shooting. Bonnie has reached a career best world ranking of 17 in singles and 19 in doubles. He has won 11 career titles and has featured in the finals of all the Grand Slam tournaments. Bonnie is the first Indian to win a medal at International Paralympic Games and is the brand ambassador of India for wheelchair sports. Number 7. Before an unfortunate incident that left her paralyzed below the neck, Preeti Srinivasan was a champion in swimming and captain of the Under 19 Tamil Nadu women's cricket team. Wheelchair bound Preeti has an NGO called Soul Free, where she imparts lessons of hope to those women who suffer from various kind of physical disabilities. Also, she gives inspirational and motivational speeches at various institutions. Number 6. Rajinder Singh Rahelu contracted polio when he was 8 months old. Since then, he has not been able to walk. In 1996, a little encouragement from his powerlifter friend motivated Rahelu to pursue a career in this sport. He started by lifting a weight of 75 kilograms, but rigorous training and motivation made him strong enough to lift a weight of 115 kilograms within just 6 months. He continued to practice and has created history by winning a silver medal in powerlifting at the Commonwealth Games of 2014. Number 5. Born handicapped, Rabia's legs further weakened because of polio before she eventually lost the use of her legs. She is also a cancer survivor, and despite the handicap, she has built a movement of community service and has spearheaded a strong adult literacy campaign in Kerala. She played an important role in the Kerala State Literacy Campaign, for which she was awarded with the National Youth Award by the Ministry of Human Resource Development. Number 4. Girish lost one of his legs in a train accident at the age of 2. At the age of 16, he had decided to be a professional badminton player. He has just one leg, which is so strong that he not only plays the game effortlessly but also easily covers the entire court. He has won many medals in the national and international events. His biggest win till date is a gold medal in the Paralympics Asia Cup for the disabled. Number 3. Sadhana stands 3.3 feet tall, lost her hearing at the age of 12, and her condition has resulted in close to 80 fractures so far, making movements outside her home extremely restrictive. Despite her limited mobility, she is an expert in different kinds of arts and paintings and has received several awards at state level. She also likes to impart her art to others and runs classes at her residence. During the past 30 years, she has trained over 12,000 students in various art forms. Number 2. Shekhar Naik was completely blind at birth and was introduced to cricket by his school. He soon took a liking to the game despite being teased by others. After a string of impressive performances, he was made the captain of India in 2010. His highest point came in 2012 when his team defeated England to win the first T20 World Cup. In his career spanning 12 years, he has played 58 matches across all formats and has a staggering 32 centuries to his name. Number 1. In 2011, Arunima lost her left leg when she was thrown off a moving train by thieves. Just 2 years after this unfortunate incident, she conquered Mount Everest with the help of a prosthetic leg, becoming the first woman amputee to climb Mount Everest. She was awarded the Padma Shri and has also launched a book named Born Again on the Mountain.